Hi, this is Joe from Berea Hardwoods. We're going to show you how to assemble the new Tanzo ballpoint pen. First thing we're going to do is you're going to get your clip coupler and you're going to assemble it with your ring going at the top. You're going to do your clip facing down just like that. Then you're going to grab your next ring and you're going to put your next ring on top just like that. Set that aside for the second. Take your finial and your decorative tube and you're going to press that together just like that. And you take your clip assembly and you're going to attach your finial on top of that. What you're going to do is you're going to use an old brass tube so you don't crush your twist mechanism tube. You're going to make sure it's all lined up here. And you're going to take that and you're going to press that down until it seats. That's what it will look like when it's assembled. You're going to take your decorative tube, you're going to slide that just like that onto your clip assembly, and you're going to press that down. And you're going to take your center band. You're going to put your center band into the other end and press that down. Set that aside, you're done. You're going to grab your brass tube and your nib. You're going to slide that right into there. You're going to press that down into one end of your blank. You're going to take your twist holder. You're going to put that into the other end. And you're going to press that down into that end. You're going to take your refill, your spring, slide that on, put that into your tube, twist on your twist mechanism, make sure that it's working right, take your cap, slide it on, and you're done. That's how you assemble a Tanzo.